Hi everyone, welcome back to CodiebyHeaart. In this video, I will share how I cleared the Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer certification in my first attempt. I will explain my study plan, resources, mistakes, and tips so you can pass faster without wasting the time or money. So let me tell you quickly explain you what is this certificate is. The associate, basically associate cloud engineer exam tests your knowledge of the Google Cloud basics like compute engine, Kubernetes, AIM, IM, networking and deployments. It is a perfect for the beginners or developers who want to move into the cloud rules. So basically into the cloud rules, roles you want to be. If you know basic Linux and some DevOps concept, you can definitely crack it. See, so something I can tell you about this cloud. So if you basically want to give this exam, you can go to the googlecloud.com, and from here Google Cloud Associate you can. So they basically there are 2 hours. Basically, it is for 2 hours. 50 questions they will give you for the multiple choice. You can book your exam from here, like CP. This URL you can click on this URL, or you can simply search on the Google search, and after that what will happen, you need to schedule it. To schedule the exam, you can go to the Access Webinars, and Access Webinar, when you will click, you can launch your test over here. So it is around $88 they have taken from me. After discount $125 it will show it to you. Then see, you can go to the proctor or you can go to the place as well, as it's up to you. So you can go and you can select the locations, date, whatever you want. So let me come back to you. Like my study plan will be like I prepared for like 6 to 8 weeks. See, also in my Git repo, you can go to my Git repo. There we have I have all the Google Cloud sheet I've made for 3 of the cloud. You can check for the GCP. So I have prepared around a 6 to 8 weeks, and I study everything randomly. I followed a structure plan. So plan, like I checked with the what are the syllabus, like in this you will have start learning, you can do next step, you will get multiple things in the cloud, you will get to know, but follow the like 1 or 2 week, like the basic of cloud and the Google Cloud services, you should know. Okay. Okay, after that hands-on lab, basically you should use the labs, Google Labs. They will give you some free credits and you can use it. So everything I have put it in this GCP cheat sheet. You can go through it, but you need to prepare. I will share more with you. See, roles is there. User GCP organization architect. Basic information you will get from here, and you can also follow ChatGPT or any AI tools. So week 3 to 4 hands-on lab you should practice. 5 to 6 week practice test and revisions. You can go to Udemy. You can check with the Udemy with the tests, revisions, practice, and get of course AI. Take the help of AI, and from here you will get the labs. Basically labs you can get. And after hands on, the game changer is like you should use the free account from GCP to for the virtual machines. You can, for a hands on experience, you can take it quick labs. So you can do the mini projects and practice it. If you need help, you can go to my GitHub, you will get a lot of example, small example, other example as well as for small. So mistake I made, like, now let me tell you some mistakes you should do not repeat them. First, initially only watch videos, biggest mistake. Second, ignore networking. Don't Many questions come from networking. Don't ignore networking. That is very important. Second, and third, I didn't practice time management. So please focus more on hands on and mock exam. Okay. So as much as you can take a test, revisions, these are very help. Exam day experience, let me tell you, the when I booked the exam, basically. So when you book the exam, so the exam duration is like a 2 hours. I already shown you. Let me show you. Yeah, 2 hours basically with the 50 questions. Like 50 questions are there. Questions are like a scenario based. Most important thing is scenario based, not a theoretical. They ask things like which service is best for cost, security, or scalability. Lot of questions are there. My tips: mark different questions and come back later. Don't panic, like most questions are practical. So on your screen, when you give the exam, you will see the timer, checklist are there, and your face. So, like in the last, I only tell my tips for you. My final tips: do the labs daily. Labs daily. You can also Google Cloud give you the some credits, so you can use. I use the different accounts. So in this my mail in this Gmail ID I don't have right now, but I've used. Okay, and you can also get a free some you can pay ask for the credits from your, if you are working with some organizations, or if you are don't have, like, if you want, you can search in the Instagram, you will get some vendors, they will provide you Google Cloud some credits, they will give you in the very reasonable cost, so you can do the mini projects, you can create Kubernetes. Second thing, revise IAM network. Mainly, this your mind should be very clear with the networking. With the networking roles, rules. So everything should be clear. Networking, most important thing. Lot of questions come from there only, and try to do the at least you should know the correct commands as well as, not much, but you should at least know, like, they will give you the command in the select it is a multi question only, like multi choice, so they may give you like commands to select it in the case study type question. So not much hard they will give you the easiest things. So at least you should go with these as well as, and you should know how to, cost storage. They basically give you like a I can say that they try to make a like a real base scenarios in your company, like they will give you like these things. So VPC network, everything you should know before attempting the exam. So now practice at least 3 mock tests. You can go with the Udemy or any, you check, many are there which provide the mock test, and use ChatGPT AI as much as possible to ask ChatGPT or AI to ask you the questions related to GCP. If I can do it, you definitely do it too. So if this video helped you, like and subscribe to the CodiebyHeaart for more clouds and coding contents. Comments below if you preparing for GCP. I will share you more tips. So this is a very small video on the GCP how I clear. You need, I will you put comment me GCP. I will give you more material and more links I will share with you, so you can prepare easily. You will certified GCP. but try to do Kubernetes networking as much as possible, VPC. So these things, try to do it as much as you can. In labs, you can find different small vendors. You will get the credit easily and cheaper cost. I also find it. So I practice almost 3 to 4 months. Then only I applied, and you can go to my repo. So there I have documented also. So you will easily find with the cloud. See, lot of cost guide is there. Cheat sheet I've created. If you're going for the Azure, I already created optimization. Okay, so that's it. Thank you and keep watching. If you need it, comment me GCP.